Hey, it's Ed with Antique Toys, and we have an older May 2023 Antique Toy World I just wanted to mention to people. George Brown Excelsior boat, and it's a great issue. Our friend Dale Kelly has this published, so please check out Antique Toy World and subscribe. All right, so Antique Toy World 2023. Robert Davis recently sold some of his toys. We've got some auction items. Our buddy Joe and Barbara Freeman and 10 Toy Works, I definitely recommend. But this is kind of where I wanted to go. The Excelsior is an absolutely amazing toy. It looks like it may be coming up for auction in the near future. And so if we go to page 18, coming up, there's our buddy Mike Harrington. Harrington Antique Toys, definitely give him a ring. But this is what I wanted to cover. George Brown Excelsior boat. And it's been in the same family for 150 years. Mark Olympio helped do a couple of adjustments to it. Just wanted to show how amazing it is, because the last one we knew of was in the New York History Museum. Opposite side there. And the Excelsior was purchased, and right here it's amazing. Excelsior was purchased from her great-great-great-grandfather, Cosgrave, in 1872, Thomas Cosgrave. It's just incredible to find so many historic details behind it. And here is a applique of a lady. And then on the opposite side is another applique. And then here's Mark with the great-granddaughter, Anne Harvey. This is on page 21 of Antique Toy World. And just to give you an idea of size, the New York, Governor, and then the Excelsior back there. Absolutely giant, and in the front it's much more apparent. New York, Governor, and Excelsior. So cheers, Mark, for finding it and getting it back to its glory, and cheers, Mark, for having an absolutely amazing history session, which readers need to check out in Antique Toy World. And just again, May 2023, Volume 53. So keep us in mind if you have toys, high quality antique toys. You can see myself at Sanford, Antique Toys, and Mars Auctions over at the Central Florida Toy and Advertising Show coming up early February, usually next year. And you can also send me an email at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Take care.